Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to create a table in WordPress. Whether you're organizing data, comparing products, or just adding structure to your page, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set one up in just a few minutes. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. This is where everything begins. It's your main gateway to editing and managing your website. Once the page loads, look up at the top right corner. You'll see the login button. Go ahead and click that. Logging in is your first step toward unlocking the tools you'll need to add a table. Now, to make signing in faster, choose Continue with Google. This is a secure and super convenient way to log in without having to remember another password. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, WordPress will show you a list of your available accounts. Just click the one you want to use, and in a moment, you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple option click whatever you want to do. Click that. This opens up the site editor. When the editor opens, you'll see your website layout and possibly a list of pages or icons. Choose the page you want to edit. Maybe it's your homepage, a blog post, or a contact page. Click it and the editor will load that specific page. Now, let's add your table. Look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a little plus icon. This is the block inserter, one of WordPress's most useful tools for adding new elements. Click the plus icon and a menu or search bar will appear. In that search bar, type table WordPress will instantly filter your options and show you the table block. Once you see it, click on table and it will be added right onto your page. Now it's time to define the table structure. You'll be asked how many columns and rows you want. For example, if you're creating a pricing table, you might choose 3 columns and 4 rows, but you can set any numbers you like. When you're happy with your setup, click Create Table. And just like that, your table appears on the page. You can now start typing directly into each cell, adjust the text alignment, or even add background colors to make it stand out. WordPress's built-in table block keeps everything responsive, meaning your table will look great on both desktop and mobile screens. Once you're done editing, remember to click Update or Publish to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a table in WordPress using the block editor. No coding required. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for organizing content in a clean, professional way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and happy editing.